Tumewaletea masweta ambayo kwamba yanaweza wakava kwa nini? Kwa baridi.
A section of Siaya residents are now calling for the return of Dominion Farm management following unknown reasons of exit 6 years ago. According to the residents led by John Were and Benjamin Gunani, the land, which sits on 17,000 acres, was meant for agriculture development, including large-scale rice cultivation, integrated poultry and fish production. But since the Dominions left, nothing has progressed. Speaking in Kisumu, they have urged Siaya leaders to back the move, which will ensure the return of the management.
Sisi kama wakaaji wa Imbo, tunahitaji Dominion irudi pale ilikuwa ikifanya kazi, kwa sababu vijana wamekosa kazi. Dominion wakati ilikuwa pale, vijana wengi walikuwa wanafanya kazi. Mimi nilikuwa nafanya kwa security department, ambaye ilikuwa imeajiri vijana kama 128. Na kwa saizi hao vijana wote wako nje, hawana kazi.
When Dominion Farm was in Siaya and in the swamp those years, from 2004 to 2019, there was a lot of economic empowerment of the people. Health-wise, Dominion Farms was providing medicine for the people. Economically, it employed a lot of people, both casual and permanent. And this employment improved the life of the people. In fact, Raturo at that time was like a town. Now, if you go there, it's a bush. The river that was being controlled through the dikes there are also destroyed, and that dike is in a danger now. The water can spill out anytime in the farm and destroy it.